December 26, 2025, is no ordinary post-holiday session for AMD investors. The company stands at a crossroads. U.S. export controls threaten its China business, while global AI demand is surging. Every headline and rumor could spark major price swings, as AMD is caught between regulatory risk and explosive market opportunity. News of a license to ship modified AI chips to China, despite a hefty 15% U.S. fee, has set the stage for a pivotal day. Simultaneously, whispers of huge Chinese orders and confirmed Western partnerships highlight AMD's momentum in AI. Today's trading will reveal whether investors fear China's obstacles or believe in AMD's long-term AI growth story. 5 powerful forces are shaping AMD's stock today, each with the potential to move the market in dramatic ways. First, China export license headlines. Any update on Mi-308 chip shipments could move the market instantly, as investors closely monitor regulatory developments and supply chain news. The ongoing tension between the US and China adds another layer of uncertainty, making every headline a potential catalyst for volatility in AMD's share price. Second, rumors of a massive Alibaba order. If confirmed, this could send shares soaring, as it would signal strong demand from one of the world's largest tech giants. On the other hand, disappointment or delays could trigger a sharp sell-off, highlighting just how sensitive AMD's stock is to big customer wins or losses. Third, global AI demand is surging. Major deals like Vultr's $1 billion investment and partnerships with OpenAI and Oracle reinforce AMD's rising market share in the AI chip space. As artificial intelligence becomes more central to business and technology, AMD's ability to secure these partnerships is crucial for its long-term growth and investor confidence. Fourth, anticipation is building for CEO Lisa Su's CES keynote and the upcoming earnings report. Both events are seen as potential catalysts for bullish sentiment, as investors look for new product announcements, guidance, and insights into AMD's strategy for the year ahead. Each of these factors can swing sentiment dramatically, but together, they create a volatile, high-stakes environment where fortunes can change in an instant. The interplay between these forces keeps traders and analysts on edge. Investors are watching for confirmation, surprises, and any sign of AMD's ability to capture the AI opportunity. Every data point, rumor, or announcement is scrutinized for clues about the company's future prospects. The stakes have rarely been higher, and the next headline could be the one that changes everything for AMD's stock. AMD's China business is a high-wire act, balancing immense opportunity with equally significant risk. Every move the company makes is scrutinized by both US and Chinese authorities, and the stakes couldn't be higher. The Mi-308 chip, designed specifically to comply with US export controls, now has a green light for limited shipments to China. But this access comes at a price, a hefty 15% US government fee on every sale, which AMD must pay to do business in this lucrative market. This fee, intended to discourage the sale of sensitive technology, directly cuts into AMD's profit margins. Yet, it also opens the door to a crucial market that could drive significant growth, especially as demand for AI chips in China continues to surge. The situation remains fluid. US lawmakers are debating whether to tighten export rules even further, while China is accelerating its efforts to develop homegrown AI chips and reduce reliance on foreign technology. A single order from a tech giant like Alibaba could be worth hundreds of millions of dollars for AMD, potentially transforming its financial outlook. However, sudden policy shifts or new restrictions could slam the door shut overnight, leaving AMD scrambling to adapt. Recent high-level meetings between AMD's CEO and Chinese officials highlight the delicate diplomacy required to navigate this landscape. Every conversation is a negotiation, with both sides seeking to protect their interests. Meanwhile, China's push for self-sufficiency and new regulations for state-funded data centers threaten AMD's long-term prospects. If China succeeds in building its own advanced chips, AMD could lose access to one of its most important markets. Investors must weigh the promise of immediate revenue against the ever-present risk of sudden policy changes, regulatory crackdowns, or geopolitical tensions that could upend the entire business overnight. The China story is both AMD's biggest opportunity and its greatest risk, a delicate balancing act that will define the company's future for years to come. Beyond China, AMD's real engine is global AI demand. Landmark deals, like Vultr's one-beat Ohio data center and OpenAI's multi-year GPU agreement, prove AMD is a top supplier for the world's tech leaders. Oracle and HPE are building massive AI clusters with AMD hardware, generating billions in future revenue. These aren't speculative wins, they're foundational infrastructure investments. AMD's customer base is broadening, and its technology is becoming essential to the AI revolution. This surging demand is the bedrock of AMD's long-term growth story. Wall Street is watching AMD's chart closely. The stock opened at $214.63 after the holiday, with resistance at $220 and support at $204. Analyst price targets range from $277 to $380, reflecting both optimism and uncertainty. A breakout above $220 on strong news could spark a rally. A drop below $204 could trigger selling. Today's price action will test investor conviction and reveal whether the market believes in AMD's AI-driven future. Technicals and headlines are colliding in real time. Investors are already looking past today's headlines to AMD's next big moments. CEO Lisa Su's CES keynote on January 5th could unveil new products and set the tone for 2026. The Q4 earnings report in early February will finally reveal the impact of China sales and update guidance for the year. Investors want details on the MI400 series AI chips and the Zen 6 CPU architecture, crucial for staying ahead of rivals. AMD's bold goal, $100 billion in annual data center revenue within 5 years. Flawless execution on the product roadmap is essential. CES and earnings are the next checkpoints for AMD's ambitious growth story. December 26th is more than just a date on the calendar for AMD, it's a snapshot of the company's entire journey, capturing both immense opportunity and very real risk. On this day, the market's reaction tells a story of ambition, innovation, and the constant balancing act between reward and uncertainty. Geopolitical headlines, especially those involving China, could derail AMD's sales in a heartbeat. The company faces the ever-present threat of shifting regulations and trade tensions. Yet, at the same time, confirmed AI partnerships in the West provide a solid foundation, offering stability and growth even as global dynamics shift. The Alibaba rumor adds suspense and keeps investors guessing, but deals with Vultr, OpenAI, Oracle, and HPE are not just speculation, they're real, multi-billion-dollar partnerships that anchor AMD's future in the rapidly expanding AI sector. For long-term investors, the global build-out of AI infrastructure is the core reason to believe in AMD's potential. The company's technology is powering data centers and AI networks across continents, shaping the digital future. Clarity on China's regulatory environment and AMD's continued excellence in product execution are the keys to sustaining its premium valuation. Investors are watching for both strategic moves and flawless delivery. Today is a test of investor resolve. Can they look past the daily noise, the headlines, and the rumors, and focus on the transformative, long-term AI opportunity that AMD represents? AMD's future will depend on its ability to navigate complex geopolitics and deliver on its ambitious AI promise, all while adapting to a rapidly changing world. The stakes have never been higher, and the world is watching every move AMD makes, waiting to see if it can rise above the noise and lead the next era of technology.